Are you tired of complicated workouts that need fancy equipment or hours at the gym? What if I told you that just a simple morning calisthenics routine done for 30 days could completely transform your energy, strength, and confidence? No equipment, no guesswork, just your own body and 10 minutes each morning. Keep watching, because what I'm about to share might change how you start your day forever. Why choose calisthenics in the morning? Starting your day with calisthenics wakes up your muscles and your mind. It boosts blood flow, raises your heart rate, and releases energy-raising hormones like adrenaline and serotonin. This helps you feel alert, focused, and ready to tackle your day. Plus, it improves flexibility and joint mobility, reducing stiffness and preventing injury throughout the day. You don't need gym equipment, just your body and a little space. Here's a simple 10-minute routine you can do anywhere. Jumping jacks, 1 minute. Get your heart rate up and warm your entire body. Arm circles, 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds backward. Loosen up shoulder joints and increase upper body mobility. Neck tilts and rotations, 1 minute. Gently stretch and relax your neck and upper spine. Push-ups, 1 minute. Build upper body and core strength. If full push-ups are hard, do them on your knees. Squats, 1 minute. Strengthen your legs and glutes while improving hip mobility. Plank hold, 1 minute. Engage your core muscles to support posture and stability. Side planks, 30 seconds each side. Target obliques and improve lateral core strength. Bicycle crunches, 1 minute. Tone your abs and encourage proper spinal rotation. Superman exercise, 1 minute. Lie face down and lift arms and legs together to strengthen your lower back. Finish with a few deep breaths to calm your mind and set a positive tone for the day. What changed after 30 days? After 30 days of consistently doing this routine, here's what many beginners report. Increased energy throughout the day, feeling more awake and focused from the moment you get up. Noticeable improvements in strength, especially in your core, arms, and legs. Tasks like carrying groceries or climbing stairs feel easier. Greater flexibility and less morning stiffness, helping with daily movement and reducing discomfort. Better posture and reduced back pain thanks to core and lower back strengthening exercises. A boost in confidence from accomplishing a daily habit, motivating many to explore more fitness activities. All these changes happen without any fancy machines or gym visits. Just 10 minutes of simple, effective bodyweight exercises. Why it works? Calisthenics trains large muscle groups using natural movement patterns. It improves muscle tone, joint health, and cardiovascular function while also benefiting mental health. Early morning workouts create a positive feedback loop, making you feel accomplished, reducing stress, and encouraging healthier choices throughout your day. Want to start feeling these changes yourself? Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more simple, science-backed fitness routines.